Hi guys, welcome back to Sisig Express. Before we dive in, if you're new around here, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. That way you won't miss any of my videos like this one, packed with tips and tricks. So a lot of people have been asking about making money on TikTok, specifically how to become a TikTok affiliate. I've gotten so many questions from emails and friends, and I wanted to tackle the most common ones today. Honestly, it's awesome to see so much interest. All right, let's jump right in. The number one question I've been seeing, how do I get a showcase on my profile? A lot of people are also asking about the yellow basket feature. Basically, it's all about joining TikTok for creators. Now, getting into TikTok for creators has requirements. First, you absolutely need to follow TikTok's community guidelines. That's non-negotiable. Then you need at least 600 followers. They lowered it from 1,000, which is great news. Once you hit that, you can unlock the showcase, start affiliate marketing, and add that coveted yellow basket to your promotional videos. Now, here's where things get a little confusing, and I get why some of you are asking. TikTok has different programs. You can actually start earning commissions by sharing product links on other social media platforms, even without 600 followers. It's different from the showcase yellow basket setup. So to get the showcase and yellow basket, 600 followers is the key. You also need to be at least 18 years old and live in an eligible country. TikTok Shop for creators isn't available everywhere. Okay, another question I saw a lot. Do I need to go live for 2 days to unlock the showcase? Nope, that's a myth. You don't need to go live. Meeting the requirements, guidelines, and follower count is enough. However, TikTok does have separate programs for live streaming, which I won't get into today, but they're there if you're interested. But for the showcase and yellow basket, live streaming isn't required. You can share product links and get a showcase even if you never go live. Now, let's talk commissions. Someone asked, what if a customer doesn't actually buy anything after clicking my link? Do I still get a commission? The short answer, no. A buyer needs to complete the purchase and pay for the product. Once the payment clears on TikTok's end, then your earnings will be credited to you. It has to be a successful sale. Don't get discouraged though. I've seen sales come in on videos I uploaded months ago. TikTok's algorithm keeps recommending older content, so the more promotional videos you create, the better your chances. Keep uploading, keep sharing, and someone will buy. All right, another one. Can I upload my TikTok promotional videos to Facebook, even if my Facebook account is already monetized? This is a big one. Listen carefully. If your Facebook account is already earning money, protect it. Seriously, I always recommend creating a separate Facebook account specifically for TikTok promotions. Facebook is very strict. If they detect you reposting TikTok content, especially with links, you could get a community guideline violation and lose your monetization. It's just not worth the risk. If your Facebook account isn't monetized and you just want to share product links with friends, that's generally okay. But if you're already earning on Facebook, keep those worlds separate. Finally, a lot of new TikTok creators and affiliates are getting flagged for violations. TikTok has released guidelines about misleading content and certain words you shouldn't use in your promotional videos. They're cracking down on false information and exaggerated claims. For example, don't say your product is number one unless you have proof. Don't claim it's the best or the only one. Avoid words like miracle or instant. If you're promoting a beauty product, don't say it will give you instant results. Don't make claims you can't back up. And definitely don't say something is 100% natural or 100% effective without evidence. Basically, be honest and realistic. Don't exaggerate, don't make false promises, and always make sure the product you're promoting matches what's in your yellow basket. So that covers the most common questions I've received. I hope this helped clear things up. If you have any other questions, drop them in the comments below. I'll do my best to answer them in a future video. And if you're enjoying my content, please subscribe. Share my videos with your friends and family so they can learn these tips too. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day and God bless. Bye.